So hello Java developers, let's solve some new question problems of Java 500 program series. From beginner to advanced level, we have done some basic programs of mathematics in Java. Now solve some string basics program. So this is our first program that we are going to solve string length. So how to find out string length using Java. So let's see in VS Code. And let's create a file inside this string length.java. So this is our file name. Go inside this and you can also write your program find string length using Java. Okay. Then create public class string length. SMS your this class name. Your file name will be sm as your class name and go inside this class and create man method. Man method public static void man and import scanner class object. Scanner class create object of scanner class. This sc is our object equal to new scanner system dot in and then use semicolon after that. So it will automatically import this scanner class. Okay. Now take a value as input for string. So first we print enter a string and remove this ln for not to go to next line, and it will take your input through that particular line after enter a string, and it will be a string type because we are taking input as string. So string name anything str equal to sc dot next line, then use semicolon. After that we will take one more variable length equal to str dot length method create करेंगे. will create length we will convert this string and find out their length through this length function length method and change this name also, and after that we will print through system.out.println length of this string is plus length. So it will give us length of the string that we entered through this input. Like first we entered a string programming, and this is the size of this programming string. So this is a way to find out string length using Java. So thanks for watching. We will meet in our upcoming video of Java program series. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if this video is helpful for you.